name is Soumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं Wealth Redefined blog. In today's blog, we will be talking about a new fund which is coming up in multi-cap category. This fund is called HDFC Multi-Cap Fund. So previously, multi-cap funds were those funds where fund manager have an access to invest into large cap, mid cap or small cap as per his comfort level and his understanding. But last year SEBI has come up with a regulation that a multi-cap fund must have a 25% in large cap, 25% in mid cap and 25% small cap, and rest 25% he can invest in wherever he finds it comfortable. So based on that thing, HDFC has come up with a multi-cap fund. Lot of fund house we have seen that they have come up in the multi-caps category and they use this space very well. So HDFC, being one of the biggest fund house in India, has planned that they will also launch a multi-cap fund which will be managed by Mr. Gopal Agarwal. Gopal Agarwal is one of the brightest fund manager in the industry. Previously, he managed Mirai Global Asset Company and he made this company as one of the best company. After that, he joined HDFC and he is going to be the lead fund manager for this fund. So I personally believe that when this kind of fund manager comes and manages a fund, he knows how to do it and how to generate the value out of the fund. So if you are talking about the HDFC multi-cap fund, it will follow the multi-cap 500 index as its benchmark, which will have a 50, 25 and 25 ratios in terms of managing the money. Recently, the Gopal Agarwal said that he finds that mid-cap is a bit expensive and he will focus more of a large cap and small cap category, which are fairly valued. So, he will have 25% money in the mid cap, but rest of the money, which is 25% in large cap, can be extended to 40 or 45%, and 25% remaining money in small cap can be extended to 30-35% in small cap category. I think HDFC as a fund house is coming up with this kind of fund at the right time. And investors who really want to appreciate their long-term investment can look into the fund for their investment. If you are going for a multi-cap fund, you should have a horizon more than 5 years so that the fund manager can take that calls of investments and matures in 5 years. So when you have a investment horizon of 5 years, obviously you can expect that you can make a decent return from these funds. But please understand, this is an equity fund and risk is associated with it. I think you should talk to your financial advisor or investment advisor regarding this fund. Take understanding and how this fund is going to perform and how it fits in your goal-based planning, and then you can take this fund for your investment purpose in your portfolio. I think a lot of companies have come with a multi-cap fund, but being given the big fund house like HDFC and a star fund manager definitely gives a lot of comfort to the investor's mind. This kind of funds can definitely generate a long-term wealth in longer period of time, because if you hold it for a longer period of time, the risk get reduced. As of now, this is a high risk product and purely a equity fund. But if your horizon is long, obviously the risk get reduced and return improves. So we give a thumbs up to this fund because it has launched at appropriate time an investor should consider this fund for their long-term wealth creation. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, you may share among your peers. You can subscribe to the channel and you can send us comments if you want to know more about this. Thank you very much for watching it. Namaskar.